Hi. Uh, Now, in this video, I'm going to explain the behavior of the function for increasing and decreasing perspective of the function. So, what is increasing function? First of all, you have to see here. Function value rise as x increases. Uh, X increases from left to right if we see at the graph. So, this is the increasing value of x from left to right, x increases. And decreasing function, what is the decreasing function? Function value falls as x increases. If the graph comes down, then we say that uh, the function is decreasing function. Right? Now, what is the constant function? Constant function is the function value remains the same as x increases. So I will explain this with the help of this example. This is the same example as we have discussed in the previous video, and this is its graph. You can see from the graph that from here negative infinity to this negative 2, graph is going up in this direction, and it will keep on going up to this negative 2. So we can see that the graph of function increases from negative infinity to negative 2. So I have mentioned here uh, increasing from negative infinity to negative 2, this graph is increasing. Now, if you see that from this negative 2 to 0 from the graph, you can see that this graph is going down, and it will keep on going down up to this 0. So this graph is decreasing from this negative 2 to 0. I have mentioned here decreasing. So now if you see from 0 to 3, 0 to 3, you can see that this graph is going up, and it will keep on going up to this point 3. So we can say that this function is increasing from this 0 to 3. 0 to 3, this function is increasing. And if you see from 3, this 3 to plus infinity, we can see that this graph is going down. Value of function falls. It means that from 3 to plus infinity, this function is decreasing. Up to this function is decreasing from 3 to plus infinity, which I have mentioned here. So we have two intervals uh, at which the function is increasing. So we have to combine these two intervals. So U is for the union of these two intervals. Union means combine. We are combining these two intervals. If we have only one interval, then we will write this as it is. But if we have more than one intervals, then we will put this union U sign between the intervals. It means that we are combining these two intervals. So in these two intervals, the function is increasing, and in the next, for decreasing, we can see that these are two intervals at which the function is decreasing. So we have put U sign, union sign between them. Uh, it means that we are combining these two intervals. Now I'm going to explain a bit this one, constant function. So I have to make another graph for this. For example, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. If the graph is something like that, straight line parallel to x-axis, then it means that this graph is the constant function. Value of y is not changing, it is constant. So this is the graph for the constant function. Hope so you will understand this. Thank you.